Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using only affordable products. All the products that I use are less than $20, and I think the most expensive one, well, no, I think the blush palette is more than $20, but like it's not that expensive. It's not more than $30. So okay, just say like less than $30. That's affordable, right? Anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. Starting off with the Royal Affair eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm starting with the shade Duchess. I'm placing it on the outer part of my eye and then blending it upwards. Now I'm taking the shade Emperor to help blend out the shade Duchess. After that, I'm taking the shade Primrose and also blending that in. Now I'm taking the shade Rain and placing it on the inner part of my eye. And after that, I'm taking the shade Crown and placing it in the middle. Now I'm taking my lashes from Dollar Lash Club in the style Kylie. To start with the skin, I'm starting with some moisturizer, and after that I'm using my favorite primer from e.l.f. And now I'm starting with the foundation. I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. For concealer, I'm using the hydrating concealer from e.l.f. My favorite ever. Super awesome. For contour, I'm using the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Extreme Contour Palette. Using a little bit of Fit Me powder, not too much. And after that, for blush, that Morphe blush palette. For highlight, I'm using that highlighter from BH Cosmetics, and now I'm going back to the eyes and placing that green on my under eye, and then going back to highlighting also with the same highlighter palette. And now for lipstick, my favorite lipstick ever, Velvet Teddy, and then a little bit of lip gloss from e.l.f. I love that lip gloss, and this is the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all liked this video, and I wanted to tell you guys like a little bit of a little haul. I got these two products at Marshall's the other day, and I got this eyeshadow palette because I own, that is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I own this one also from BH Cosmetics, the Weekend Festival, and it's built just like that one. So it was like, this one is going to be super good as well, and it didn't disappoint me. And the highlighter palette is so awesome. I really like how the highlighter looks in my face, and I wanted to buy this one from the site, and I found it at Marshall, so I was like, I'm just gonna take it. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you guys would like to see on my YouTube channel. We are 200 subscribers. I know it's not like a big thing for other people, but to me it's like a big deal. So yeah, bye guys.